Did you guys ever want to hear this cute little robot that can help your mobile phone follow you around everywhere you go? We now have just the product. Here is Hohem Go, and this is such a tiny 2-axis AI auto tracking holder. Isn't it really cute? And it is totally matching to my desk. I can see myself using it even without its robot function. However, Hohem Go is packed with so many features and it is super simple to use. You don't even need Bluetooth. You don't even need an app. So let me start right away with Hohem Go. Here I have a phone and you can actually use a tablet size of up to 11 inch. For the phone thickness, it covers up to 13 millimeters. So that pretty much covers the entire phone. So looking at my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, I am using it without the case for better demonstration because the color is better that way. However, of course, I can use the cover as well. I can, of course, put it vertically as well as horizontally. And all I need to do at the back, there is a little screw. So I just need to tighten it. It gives a very nice grip as there are some rubber lining inside, and it holds the mobile phone and iPad very steady in place because this Hohem Go, it will start moving with some AI tracking function. There is just one simple button in Hohem Go. If you long press for 3 seconds, the power will turn on and off. If you double press, Hohem Go will auto-rotate one full circle. If you triple press, Hohem Go will auto-rotate constantly. And if you press one more time, it will stop. So my little desk setup here, and I have this massive tablet PC. It's really actually old and it's about 10 inch. And when I just press it twice, then yes, then even this heavy 10 inch not iPad, really old tablet, it works totally fine on the movement of the axis of Hohem Go. So in this office setup, if you do want to do video conferencing, then Hohem Go is really handy because the tilt, it does go minus 15 degrees and all the way up to 15 degrees. So the total, you get the 30-degree movement up and down. So the tilt is just right for you to set it up on your table and then do video conferencing. So here I'm inside a mobile phone, and because it does have 30 degrees angle in the tilt, so it does go all the way plus 15 degrees and minus 15 degrees. So actually the angle is not that bad on the desk. What do you guys think? And if you also want to give a little bit of movement in your video conference and you want to move around while demonstrating some ideas and so on, then what you want to do is do this gesture mode. Then I can actually like move around. Hey guys, so look at this product. It is a brilliant idea, blah, blah, blah. And it should totally work for you. And to stop gesture mode, because it's just keep on following me, I just need to do this. And the blue light indicates that AI tracking is turned off. So this I think is really practical, especially if you go vertical. Then I find that this little height over Hohem Go is actually enough for the best angle on your mobile phone. Don't you guys think? I think it is actually really perfect, me sitting down on my desk with Hohem Go set up like this. But if you want even more flexibility, then there is the universal hole here, adapter hole, for you to place it on a tripod and so on. Then you can really take this anywhere and move your mobile phone and allow it to follow you. So here is my little yoga studio with a yoga mat. So for content creators like us, we need a bit of flexibility. So I'm actually using Hohem Go on a tripod to film my little yoga studio. Actually, I don't know anything about yoga. And what would be really handy is the gesture mode, where I can do this. And you already see the movement of it moving as I move my face around. So it is perfect for content creators that like to move around, like dance, yoga, fitness, etc. So the best distance for you to start the gesture mode is 0.5 meter all the way to 1.5 meters. However, for AI tracking, it can go much further, all the way up to 3 meters. So already starting to track me, and you can see how useful it will be for content creation if you do fitness or dance, etc. I'm not sure whether I'm really gonna dance around. not dense at all. So to stop the gesture mode, all I need to do is palm up and also face Hohem Go. Then instantly it will recognize and show the blue light. One thing to note, yes, you can use the tripod, however, it does have the silicone, so it's really stable with a wide surface. So you can literally put this little device, Hohem Go, on any surface you want. Talking about battery, it does last a very long time, up to 10 hours. And if you have the tracking on all the time, then it should last up to 7 hours. The 2000 mAh battery in here, it takes about 2 hours to fully charge. And if you have less than 10%, the red light will flash continuously so you know when to charge. Once fully charged, it will indicate continuous red light so you know when it's charged and it's ready to go for another 10 hours. So in my little office setup, I am actually using Hohem Go just here on the desk because it's so convenient. I can of course just use the cover on my mobile phone and have it secured on this holder, Hohem Go. And certainly this cute little design is definitely very pleasant on the eyes on my desk as well. So if you have any questions about Hohem Go, do ask me in the comments down below. I will answer all your questions. And also if you're interested in finding more about Hohem Go, including the price, then do check out the link down below for more information. And I love using Hohem gimbals, which does have amazing AI tracking on 3-axis gimbal. Do check out my other reviews on Hohem smartphone gimbals as well. And I'll come back with other interesting reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!